Tourism today, Bahamas tourism today.
The Ministry of Tourism and Aviation is working along with national security officials and relevant tourism stakeholders in the fight against crime. That's why the ministry recently held a tourism and safety workshop under the theme Enhancing Safety and Security Strategies for Our Number One Industry.
We at the Ministry of Tourism and Aviation are ready to stand with you. We will continue to open the lines of communication to promote safety and manage impacts as they come. It is my hope that this forum would present the perfect opportunity to lead to breakthroughs and ideas on how to enhance safety, not only in our tourism sector, but throughout our nation.
Minister of Tourism and Aviation Dionisia Diagla says the ministry continues to face crime challenges head-on by continuous meetings with U.S. Embassy officials and engaging with cruise ship companies.
I have had the cruise department of the Ministry of Tourism to reach out to these cruise directors because, talking to the presidents and the CEOs and all that, they say, oh, our staff don't talk bad about the Bahamas. But that's clearly untrue because you hear the reports all the time and people are sitting on the Prince George dock and hear them on the loudspeaker saying, oh, don't bring your wallet with you, don't come off the boat, be careful, be safe, don't take no money. And that is very unproductive. And I think it's patently untrue. And so I'm having the Ministry of Tourism befriend and to speak to all the cruise directors and allay some of their fears that they may have because they're the ones who are talking to the guests and not the president and CEO of the respective cruise companies.
The minister says the Ministry of Tourism and Aviation, along with police officials, continue to identify hotspots that require extra resources to ensure that every visitor feels safe while vacationing in the islands of the Bahamas. For the Tourism Today Network, I'm Kendia Smith.